Monsoon has started and we are out to visit new places. Very scenic places this time. Be with me as we visit Fort Mangad and Kumbhe Waterfall. The distance of Fort Mangad from Pune is 107 kilometers and the route goes via Mulshi and Nizampur. This 3D rendering of the fort area shows the base village Mashidwadi and also the trek route from Mashidwadi to the top of Fort Mangad. We started the journey at about 7 in the morning and traveled in our own car. Having your own vehicle has an advantage as you can halt at any scenic point for some time. Monsoon is a great time to travel through Tamini Ghat area. The fog and the mist look so lovely and you can't resist to stop, take some photos and also enjoy the weather. You can see many cascading water streams along this road and just looking at them refreshes your mood. After reaching Nizampur, you will see this sign, Nizampur Pachad Raigad Road. You have to turn left here. There is also a board showing the direction of the Fort Mangad. This road is narrow but good to drive. Continue on this road till you see a signboard showing Borwadi. Take the left road here. Here also you will see a sign indicating direction of Fort Mangad. After some time, you will get the first glimpse of Fort Mangad. At this spot, you will see wreckages of an old Mahadev Mandir by the roadside. The plinth of the temple can also be seen near the road. A board is present indicating the presence of the temple. A shivling can be seen in broken state. A half-broken Nandi still sits there at this temple site. Ahead of this point, there is a bifurcation where you have to take the road to the left, which goes to village Mashidwadi. Mashidwadi is the base village for Fort Mangad. There is ample parking space available to park your vehicle. Hello friends, we have traveled 115 kilometers from Pune to reach this place. This is Mashidwadi. Mashidwadi is the base village for Fort Mangad. The trail to Mangad starts here. Mangad is a small fort and the climb is very easy. Here also you will see a sign indicating direction of Fort Mangad. The route goes through a forest and is very refreshing in monsoon. Kindly avoid using and throwing plastic bottles and other waste at such places. This is the flower of wild turmeric. The botanical name is Curcuma aromatica and the Marathi name is Ran Halad. Observing trees during the trek can enrich your knowledge. The hill climb is not very steep and anyone can easily do it. At halfway, there is a temple of goddess Vinzai Devi. This This temple provides a good shelter for the visitors and also a very good place to have your food and rest for some time. There is a board near the temple showing information about Fort Mangad. There is a bastion or buruj in the fortification wall seen from the temple. We started the climb after resting for few minutes at the temple. The path from the left side of the temple takes you up the hill. The original rock cut steps are broken in British attack in 1818. But still, it is not very difficult to climb the fort hill. This is the view of the temple from above. The foot trail to the top is easy to find and the monsoon made the trek very pleasant. You will certainly enjoy trekking here in monsoon. Just be a bit careful as the monsoon can make the terrain slippery. In 15 to 20 minutes, we reach the first main entrance of the fort. It has a narrow entrance passage and the bastions or buruj on both the sides are still in good shape. Then is the second entrance, which is totally demolished. We can see a Lord Hanuman temple here. At this point, there is a board showing map of the fort area, but it is almost faded out. After this, we can see a room carved in stone. There is a board saying that it is a grain store, and there is also a water tank near this place. From here, we climbed the top part of the fort or the Bale Killa of the fort. The Bale Killa or top part of the fort is very small and there is not much to explore on the top. We can see remains of some old constructions and the fort top is covered with many trees. We can also see some more water tanks on the top part of the fort. From this point, we can observe Sahyadri mountains and also see Fort Raigad. But due to cloudy weather, we couldn't. That is village Mashidwadi as seen from the top. We started walking from the base town of Mashidwadi and it took only 30 minutes roughly. Though we stopped at a couple of places, it did not take more than 30-35 minutes to reach the top of the fort. The top of Mangad is about 270 meters, that is roughly 775 feet above sea level. That's not much high. And that total fort is a very small hill. But then it was very important to keep this as a fort, as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj had his capital on Fort Raigad, and the area around it was very important, and to keep a vigil on that area, he built some forts like this. That was our tour of Fort Mangad and we started walking down. But wait, that's not all. We are visiting one more scenic place today, and that is Kumbhe Waterfall. At Borwadi, where we took road to Mangad, Now we have to go towards village Sats and follow the Ghat road to reach Kumbhe. At the end of the Ghat, there is a 250 meters long tunnel. The road in the tunnel is in bad shape and bumpy. At the point where the road exits the tunnel, there is a water stream coming from the Kumbhe Dam project, and this stream jumps down the cliff to form the Kumbhe Waterfall. It is approximately 200 feet high. You have to go a little further on the road to get to the opposite side and have a nice view of this spectacular waterfall. The whole area of Kumbhe Waterfall and the hills is covered with lush green meadows, especially in monsoon. Now sit back and enjoy the view. That is all in this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this video, and if you are new to my channel, kindly consider subscribing. See you in another video.